Bom dia, pessoal. Vou fazer um long range aqui de onde eu moro, do sítio Betel a Ouro Branco, lá na cidade. Ver se eu consigo chegar lá. Se eu não chegar, mas chegar bem perto lá, porque a bateria só tá com 88%. Mas eu vou com o drone até ele ficar 55%, que dá tempo de eu voltar, ver se ele consegue chegar até lá no Ouro Branco. Já dá para avistar a cidade bem pequenininha lá na frente lá. Então é isso aí, pessoal, acompanhe o vídeo, se inscreva no canal, comente, compartilhe, deixa o like, que é importante para o vídeo ser divulgado e o YouTube entender que você está gostando do conteúdo. É isso aí. Quem quiser ser membro do canal para ajudar, compra um valeu demais. E você que passa aí no canal, que assiste aí, mas não é inscrito ainda, se inscreva. O canal aí crescendo aí, para poder continuar postando vídeos como esse. É isso aí, pessoal. Acompanhe o vídeo aí. Passando aí por uns locais aí que eu não tô nem identificando ainda, porque na imagens aéreas a pessoa se atrapalha um pouco, não dá para conhecer muito o local. Tem que visualizar bastante vezes para decorar o local onde você tá aí.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. guess you feel. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do